What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from SeaWorld Orlando, this time for another Penguin Trek update. And guess what? We're hearing it's going to be doing some testing. Let's check it out. Alright, so it has been over an hour since the test run, but they had barricades up, and now the barricades are down. We're going to walk over real quick. Even though Penguin Trek had its first test run, best part of my day has got to be seeing the pink chickens. Yeah! Hey, play nice. Hey. Bad fight. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Penguin Trek. Exciting stuff as it had its very first test run. Yeah, and we're expecting many more test runs over the next couple weeks before hopefully an opening sometime later this spring, thinking maybe late May, we'll see. Of course, we're gonna have plenty more updates, so if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.